Okay. Today we've got someone coming to get the hops. So we got to get ready. But the weather is not looking like it's going to cooperate, so we're going to have to hustle. Alright, I'm ready to go. Just waiting on them. We're going to get these hops down and they're going to take them back and they're going to pick them and dry them and they're going to brew with them. Cool. Always love when a plan comes together. So, Matt's coming to get these. And I wanted to show him too. He's going to take these cascades. And then if he wants, he can have the Chinooks, which are on the end row. We're going to let him decide. But these are just ready to go. Okay, this is day 2. Yesterday we were rained out. I just got a call from Matt. He's on his way. I'm gonna go get the tractor ready and pick some hops. I thought you weren't coming.
I was able to come.
This is Matt. Matt. Hey. Ange. How are ya? Sam. Good. He's just
Hi,
stinky. You're gonna put hops in that nice clean truck?
Yeah.
So I thought you were coming.
Yeah, I was gonna work late, but then I decided to get off early. So
Good. Because boy, you got a big job ahead of you. Wait till you see.
Okay. All right.
Ready?
Okay. Yes.
Let's go. Yeah. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll get a tarp. I got some tarps in my truck, and we'll set them in there. Now, are you guys going to take the Chinooks too?
Whatever you want to give us.
Yeah, whatever you want to give us.
This is a lot of hops, you know
I
that.
know. We're buying a chest freezer just for this.
All right. Do you have a place to dry them? Or are you going to pick them right away? What are you going to
What
do?
do you recommend? Like, what?
Well, Val said you can, if you're short on time, you can hang them like in your garage.
Yeah.
And at your leisure, you can pick them. Otherwise, they need to be picked and separated from the plant and dried.
Okay.
And I got some drying bins and everything that you can borrow.
Okay.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, and I'll show you that. All right, well, we'll get this done, I swear. Let's just throw this back in here. All right, follow me again.
All right.
That's good. All right, so these here are the centennials, and we didn't have very good luck with them because of
Ladybug?
Japanese beetles. So look, and these are 7-year plants. This is their 7th year.
Wow.
I started down there with one plant, and I transplanted that one to here, and then I transplanted that one to there, and I just kept doing that. But then the Japanese beetles, they like these, and they like the fuggles, which we don't have anymore. I deleted those, but these are the cascades that you're looking for, right?
Yeah.
And look at these babies. I know.
Wow.
Gotta make sure. But yeah, aren't these pretty?
Yeah.
And you know what? And there's so many here that you can actually be picky and not take these little ones. Right, right. Because what you're looking for here is if you take one here, if you hear this, here it's like kind of crunchy like that.
Yeah, yep.
That's what we're looking for, that crunchiness.
Okay.
Because they're just about to finish drying, all the moisture's gone. Now if you take them and you split them open inside, you see that yellow stuff in there? See that yellow stuff?
Yeah.
That's lupin. That's what you're looking for. That how do you say it?
Lupulin?
Lupulin, yeah. Let's smell it. Good. Go ahead, break one open, check it out.
Oh, yeah.
You like coffee beers though?
No.
What's up with that?
Yeah, what is up with
You
that?
like the smell, but you don't like the
I know, I love the smell, and everyone's gonna tease me at the store. Thank you! But I'm just a dark beer guy. I don't like IPAs at all. I can't stand them.
Man.
But I like doing this. Now you got here. You know what? Take one with you and keep the smell. Got the smell. Now bring it over here. Now watch your feet. Don't trip on that wire. Here's another one. Now these are the Chinooks. Now that one you got in your hand, you got to smell. Your hands are already contaminated with it. You know, right? So now look at these over here. Now these, again, Japanese beetles, but these kind of came back. But now try to grab a couple of these. Now this is a nice plant here. See, now these I wouldn't pick. But now open up one of these and smell this and see the difference. I think it's more of a grapefruity smell, maybe, or
Yeah, I would say so. More citrus.
Yeah, this one smells really grapey.
yeah. All right. Hey.
Yes.
anyway. All right, here we go. So, Aunt, you're the brewer?
Well, we work together. It's not like this. I like to come up with a recipe.
Uh-huh.
I do like Matt.
Sure, sure. What do you do, Matt? Tell her how good of a job she's doing.
He likes to help me come up with recipes.
Yeah.
We do it together on brew day.
Now, do you guys name your beers?
Yeah, we did one that was a Chinook only IPA. We called it all Chinook up.
Ah, that sounds cool.
We were thinking about naming one of our next IPAs Bronchosaurus Rex after you.
Okay, that would be cool. I'm all good with it. It'll be fun.
Bronchosaurus IPA.
Yeah. All right, let's get these drying racks here. I'll show you where they're at. I don't know. I'm thinking you're going to need more than 2. Hold the door. Here's what they look like. Here's one. I'll go get another one. One giant bag is like maybe an ounce or 2 ounces. They're really light.
I gotta look it up.
Yep, look it up. And experiment. That's what we did. We experimented. That's the only way to get her done. Matt, aren't you done yet? He's making sure he doesn't scratch his truck.
And he's making sure it doesn't wow.
He's doing good. They ain't going anywhere. I'd be surprised. As long as the hops are safe, I'm safe. Thanks, Matt.
Yeah, thank you.
I was like, I want that. All right, thanks, Andy. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
All right, say goodbye to the hops. They're gonna have a new home and the beer coming to you.
Coming soon to Vineyard.
All right, thank you guys. Have a good one. See ya. Okay, the hop adventure is over. I bet they're gonna have some good brews because they're good hops.